In modern times, blended families are becoming more and more common, yet estate planning laws are still geared toward a more traditional family structure. So how do you leave an inheritance for your stepchildren under this kind of framework? Hi, I'm Marietta estate planning lawyer Steve Worrall. Remember, unless the new spouse legally adopts a stepchild, that stepchild is not considered an heir. However, there are other estate planning tools that could come into play that will help this. You can work around the laws of the state of Georgia to make sure that all of your children, whether by blood or by love, stand to inherit from your estate. Now, wills and trusts are some of the easiest ways to leave assets to your children or your stepchildren in the form of either an estate percentage or specific assets. Now, if an estate plan involves multiple children, you should avoid confusion by using terms like my heirs or my child and name each child by their individual names. Now, a number of other estate planning tools exist to include stepchildren in your estate plan. You want to avoid probate? Then create a revocable living trust and name your stepchild as one of the beneficiaries. If your stepchild is disabled, you may need a special needs trust to make sure that he doesn't lose eligibility for government programs. You can also list your stepchild as a beneficiary on a life insurance policy or a payable on death bank account. You don't have any kind of legal obligation to leave stepchildren any inheritance whatsoever. But if you want to, you can certainly do that, especially if you've had a significant role in the raising of the child. I like to caution my clients, though, to talk about any kind of estate planning decisions like this with your other family members to avoid potential conflicts in the future. You need to speak with an experienced estate planning attorney if you want to make sure that your stepchildren are provided for properly. And if you'd like to meet with us, please give us a call at 770-425-6060. I'm Steve Worrall. We'll see you next time.